So I got the toilet seat from Dry Labs. Now this is going to be the one with that toddler extension on there. So in this video, I'm just going to do a quick guide on how to get this thing installed and what it looks like when it's working. But super easy. If you've never installed a toilet seat before, don't worry, it cannot be more simple. So to get your initial one off, there's just going to be two pieces back here, and all you do is pop these open and you just unscrew it with the screwdriver. So this is what your seat will look like with no toilet seat on it. Now the first step of getting this one on there, the new one, is they're going to give you rubber pieces here. So all you're going to do is just pop these in. There's going to be holes, and we can move to the next step. Okay, so now that we got those two rubber pieces on there, we can set our toilet seat down onto our toilet. And then as for the bolts, they're going to give you metal ones and plastic ones. So personally, my toilet was using plastic ones, so I'm just going to do that again. And all you're going to do is get your plastic bolt here, washer on top, and then this is going to be your nut that's going to go underneath. So we're just going to screw it in just like that. All you need is a screwdriver to get this done. So it's very, very simple to do. And this is what that process is going to look like. So you just need to put the washer onto the bolt and you're just going to connect the nut underneath. Now, personally, I like to start spinning it a couple times with my hands just to get the grooves going and it's settled in. And then at that point, just hold the nut, put your screwdriver down, and finish the job. So super, super easy to do. And now here is what the finished product looks like. So it really was that simple. We'll just close it back up here, and this is good to use. It's on there securely. Now how the toilet seat actually works is the top one here is going to be the bigger one for yourself, and then the one for your little one is going to be under here. And what I like about it, there is a magnet too, so don't worry when you're going to the bathroom, this won't be like hitting you in the back or anything like that. But when it is time to use it, you can bring it down, and you got yourself a smaller toilet seat. When you're done using it, you can put it back up there. Another great thing about this toilet seat as well is it is a silent close. So you don't have to worry about it slamming down. It's just going to slowly go down there. So it won't be waking you up at night or annoying you or anything like that. So overall, this is exactly what I needed. Very, very easy to install. Had it on there in, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. So great product. I give it 2 thumbs up.